In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text box in Wix website. If you're building a page and need a clear heading, a short caption, or a paragraph of body copy, adding a text box is one of the simplest and most flexible ways to shape your content. I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you know exactly what to click and how to style the result for a clean, professional look. First, open your site in the Wix editor or Wix Studio. Up at the top left, you'll see the plus icon, often labeled Add. Click that to open the Elements menu. This is where all the building blocks of your page live. From here, go to the Text section. You'll see different text types, such as headings and paragraphs. Headings are great for titles and section labels, while paragraphs are best for longer descriptions or detailed content. Choose the type that matches what you need. Now, drag your chosen text type onto your page and drop it where you want it to appear. As you move it around, you'll notice guideline hints that help you align the text box with other elements, which is handy for keeping everything neat and consistent. Once it lands, you can reposition it by clicking and dragging, and you can resize the box by pulling its corners or edges to fit the layout you have in mind. Next, click the text box to start editing. You can simply select the placeholder text and start typing your own content. To fine-tune the appearance, look to the inspector panel while the text box is selected. This panel gives you control over style details like font family, size, weight, color, and alignment. You can also adjust spacing to improve readability, including line height and letter spacing, and set emphasis with bold or italics where appropriate. If you're working with a design system or theme, staying consistent with your heading and paragraph styles here helps your whole site feel cohesive. As you style, think about clarity. Pick fonts that are easy to read, choose sizes that suit their role on the page, and make sure there's enough contrast between your text and the background. Keep headings short and scannable, and let paragraphs breathe with comfortable spacing so visitors can take in your message at a glance. And that's all there is to it. Open the Add menu, choose a text type, drag it onto the page, then click to edit and style it in the Inspector panel. With these simple steps, you can add polished, readable text to any section of your Wix site in seconds.